In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cc in Gmail. First, you'll want to log into your Gmail account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and go to the Gmail login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Gmail dashboard. Now, look towards the upper left corner of your screen, and you should see the Compose button. Clicking this opens up a new message window where you can begin to craft your email. In the To field, enter the email address of your primary recipient. This is the main person you are sending your email to, so simply type in their email address and you're good to go. But what if you need to include additional recipients? This is where the Cc field comes into play, which stands for carbon copy. It's particularly useful when you want to keep multiple people in the loop with the same information. To do this, find the Cc button located just below the To field and give it a click. This will expand the space where you can add more email addresses. Here's a tip: use the Cc field when you want all recipients to see each other's email addresses, which is standard practice in situations requiring transparency, such as team updates or collaborative projects. With all your recipients added, it's time to craft the subject line and body of your email. The subject should be clear and concise, providing a glimpse of what the email is about. A well-thought-out subject line gives recipients an idea of what to expect, setting the tone for the rest of the message. Then, move on to the body of the email. Here, aim to be thorough yet succinct. Remember, your email is competing for attention, so make sure it's worth the recipient's while. And once you've finished writing, it's almost time to send your message. However, before you hit that important Send button, take a moment to review your email. Check for any potential typos, ensure that the tone is appropriate, and verify that all necessary attachments are included, if there are any. This quick proofreading step can save you from needing follow-up corrections down the line. When everything looks good, simply click the Send button. Your email is now on its way. By following these steps, you can efficiently use the Cc feature in Gmail, ensuring seamless communication. With these skills under your belt, managing email correspondence becomes a breeze. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this one.